Here are 5 things to look for at a college open house. First, you want to feel comfortable and energized because that's going to be your home for the next 4 years. You should definitely be getting really good vibes from professors and students. When you're on the tour, make sure that you see that there are many clearly labeled signs. I know that here at Bucknell, all of the buildings have their names prominently displayed so that I never got lost. Check to make sure that campus is kept clean and beautiful. Here at Bucknell, campus is always pristine for students and visitors. Make sure that you get a really awesome sense of school pride. That's how you might know that the school might fit you. I know that for me, when I came to Bucknell, I felt everybody exuding orange and blue. Be looking for signs of growth. You want to see if new buildings are being built or if old buildings are being renovated, because that's how you'll know that the administration is dedicated to making sure students get the best possible experience. If you see these 5 things at an open house, then I've got a pretty good feeling that that school's right for you.